It's a McMedics McQuickie. These guys, 720 spiders, they have a tendency to go bad. Now, how do you know they're going bad? Well, if you listen, you can hear them creaking. Sometimes it's a little bit like that, and they get slightly worse, and then it could fail in the up position, which is bad, or it can fail where you have to actually pull the door open. Doesn't support anything. If you try pushing on the door when it locks up, you can break that right off the tub. So you want to not force it at all if it does lock up. Now I'm going to show you how to replace this guy as best I can by myself with no tripod. I don't have a second person who could hold this door. So this is what I'm using. I've got a jack. This is soft-ish. It's good to go. You don't want something super hard in there because it could end up damaging here when you put some weight on it. And the reason you might put weight on it is because when you take that out, the door's got to stay up. This is doing that support, but I'm using a jack because I can also make micro movements up and down if I need to when I go to put this one back in. But having a person that can just kind of move it, that's best. So what we're gonna do, probably won't be able to get this to make this work as I'm recording this, but this little clip down here, if you try to pull on it while you have that popped out, it should pop right out. I just can't do it while holding the phone. So if you can completely move that clip, cool. If not, pop it loose, pull on it, that will come out. Then when you come up here, we've got a little clip that wraps around right there, and it goes around to the back side. And you see, I just popped that off. Now that little clip is going to pull down this way, and that's what's going to release it from that ball. But that's going to be part number 2. Get the bottom first, and then pull that pin. I got the bottom loose, but the reason you wait, so you pull the pin, reason you wait for the top, because then you can just do that. You won't be able to get the angle just right to get the leverage to pop that top off if you don't do the bottom first. So do the bottom first, then do the top. For putting the new one in, they are labeled left and right if you're doing both of them, so make sure you observe that. I've already pulled the pin out there. I'm going to set the pin in, move it around how I need to get that pin in there, and then I'm going to adjust the bottom. It will pop right in. You don't do anything with the clip, it just snaps right in. Now the reason you want to do the top first, and I realize this is the other side, is to get that pin lined up. Sometimes it's at a weird angle. You got it where it's supposed to go, but when you can tilt it like that, it's super easy to get the pin in. There we go. It's that simple. Easier with 2 people to make little adjustments, but as long as you have something you can move up and down just a little bit, it'll work. Now, I know somebody will ask, well, what about the coupe? The coupe is different. You have to take the door panel off. It's a completely different part that doesn't have a tendency to fail. This is just the spider.